Chapter 12. Give and Take. Introduction. Kinnari sells beads in the bazaar. She sells loose beads and necklaces of 10 beads each. Razia wants 12 beads. So Kinnari gives her 1 necklace and 2 loose beads. Now here, names of children and number of beads they need are given. Let us find how many necklaces and loose beads the other children take. Rima wants 17 beads, so she will get 1 necklace and 7 loose beads. Arif wants 24 beads, so he will get 2 necklaces and 4 loose beads. Sonu wants 35 beads, so she will get 3 necklaces and 5 loose beads. Simar wants 31 beads, so she will get 3 necklaces and 1 loose bead. How many beads are taken by Razia and Rima together? Razia has 1 necklace and 2 beads. Rima has 1 necklace and 7 beads. Right. You can write it like this. First, let us take all the loose beads together and count. There are 9 loose beads. So, write 9 in the box. Now, take all the necklaces together and count. There are 2 necklaces. So, we will write 2 in the box. So, we got it. Razia and Rima have 2 necklaces and 9 beads in all. 2 necklaces and 9 beads make 29. Thus, Razia and Rima have 29 beads in all. Practice time. How many beads are taken by Razia and Sonu? Razia has 1 necklace and 2 beads. Sonu has 3 necklaces and 5 beads. Right. You can write it like this. First, let us take all the loose beads together and count. There are 7 loose beads. So, write 7 in this box. Now take all the necklaces together and count. There are 4 necklaces. So we will write 4 in this box. So we got it. Razia and Sonu have 4 necklaces and 7 beads in all. 4 necklaces and 7 beads make 47. Thus, Razia and Sonu have 47 beads in all. How many more beads? A. How many more beads does Sonu have than Arif? In the beads box, subtracting 4 beads from 5 beads, we get 1 bead. Similarly, subtracting 2 necklaces from 3 necklaces, 1 necklace is left. Thus, 1 necklace and 1 bead left. That is 11 beads left. Thus, Sonu has 11 more beads than Arif. B. How many more beads does Arif have than Razia? In the beads box, subtracting 2 beads from 4 beads, we get 2 beads. Similarly, subtracting 1 necklace from 2 necklaces, 1 necklace is left. Thus, 1 necklace and 2 beads left. That is 12 beads left. Thus, Arif has 12 more beads than Razia. C. How many more beads does Simar have than Reema? Simar has 31 beads and Reema has 17 beads. Write it like this. We cannot take 7 beads away from 1 bead. So we will open 1 necklace. Thus, Simar has 2 necklaces and 10 beads from 1 necklace plus 1 bead means in total 11 beads. Remember, we have opened 1 necklace, so cross 3 from necklace box and write 2 there and write a small 1 in the bead box to remember there are 11 beads. Now it is easy. You can take away 7 beads from 11. So 4 beads are left. Write it in the bead box. Now take away 1 necklace from 2 necklaces. Then how many necklaces are left? 1. Very good. So Simar has 1 necklace and 4 beads more than Reema. Means Simar has 14 beads more than Reema. 1 extra necklace. Beads taken by Reema and Arif. Reema has 1 necklace and 7 loose beads. Arif has 2 necklaces and 4 loose beads. We all write it like this. First, we will count loose beads, which are 11. 11 loose beads means 10 loose beads plus 1 loose bead. 10 loose beads make 1 necklace. So add 1 more to the necklaces. We will write a small 1 to remember 1 extra necklace. Now 1 loose bead is left. So we will write 1 in the beads box. Now we count all the necklaces, which is 4. So we write 4 in the necklace box. Reema and Arif have 4 necklaces and 1 bead in all. Thus, Reema and Arif have 41 beads in all. We can do it very fast in another way. If Arif gives 3 beads to Reema, Reema will have 20. Arif will have 21. So 20 plus 21 is equal to 41. Add by writing and also without writing. How many beads do they have together? A. Addition of 7 and 5 is 12. 12 means 1 necklace and 2 loose beads. Write 1 necklace in the box of necklaces above 1. We will write 2 in beads box as answer. Now add digits of necklaces, which is 5. Thus, 5 necklaces and 2 beads means total 52 beads. Another method. If Reema gives 5 beads to Sonu, then Sonu has 40 beads and Reema has 12 beads. So, 40 plus 12 is equal to 52. B. Addition of 4 and 2 is 6, which we will write it as answer of beads box. Now add necklaces, which is 3. Thus, 3 necklaces and 6 beads means total 36 beads. Another method. If Arif gives 4 beads to Razia, then Razia has 16 beads and Arif has 20 beads. So, 16 plus 20, total 36 beads. Practice time. Also do it in your mind. Tanisha has 17 pencils. Sia has 25 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? First method. The addition of 7 and 5 is 12. 2 from 12 will be written below 7 and 5. 1 is written above 1 here. Thus, the addition of 1 and 2 is 4. Thus, there are total 42 pencils. Second method. If Sia gives 3 pencils to Tanisha, Tanisha will now have 20 pencils and Sia has 22 pencils. Sum of 20 and 22 is equal to 42. Daljit has 35 marbles. Arvind has 25 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? First method. The addition of 5 and 5 is 10. So write 0 below 5 in answer box. 1 is written above 3 here. Thus, the addition of 1, 3 and 2 is 6. Thus, there are total 60 marbles. Second method. If Daljit gives 5 marbles to Arvind, Arvind will now have 30 marbles and Daljit has 30 marbles. Sum of 30 and 30 is 60. Nisha has 32 bangles. Sukhi has 16 bangles. How many more bangles does Nisha have? 2 cannot be subtracted from 6. We will take 1/10 from 3. So write 2 instead of 3. So 2 will be 12. Now subtracting 6 from 12, we get 6. And subtract 1 from 2, we get 1. Thus, Nisha has 16 bangles more than Sukhi. Venkatesha's Canteen. Venkatesha's Canteen offers hot snacks that many customers come to eat there. Here, the bills for the breakfast that the customers have are given. Let us help him to prepare the bill. First, we will find the total amount of dosa and uttapam. Addition of 3 and 8 is 11. From 11, write 1 in one's place here, below 3 and 8. And the other one will be written on 2 like this. Now, addition of 1, 2 and 2 is 5. Thus, the bill of dosa and uttapam is 51 rupees. Find the total amount of idli and coffee. Addition of 5 and 8 is 13. From 13, write 3 in one's place below 5. And 8 and 1 will be written on 1 like this. Now addition of 1 and 1 is 2. Thus the bill of idli and coffee is 23 rupees. Find the total amount of dahi vada and chili rice. Addition of 5 and 8 is 13. From 13, write 3 in one's place here below 5 and 8. And 1 will be written on 2 like this. Now addition of 1, 2 and 1 is 4. Thus the bill of dahi vada and chili rice is 43 rupees. Find the total amount of soup and noodles. Addition of 7 and 5 is 12. From 12, write 2 in one's place here below 7 and 5. And 1 will be written on 2 like this. Now addition of 1, 2 and 1 is 4. Thus, the bill of soup and noodles is 42 rupees. It is time to buy. The shopkeeper said, "Oh, you again? More homework?" The girl said, "No, this time I have to buy 8 pencils and 5 erasers." The shopkeeper said, "Sure, the pencils cost 16 rupees. The erasers cost 15 rupees. The girl said, 16 rupees means 1 10-rupee note and 6 1-rupee coins. And 15 rupees means 1 10-rupee note and 5 1-rupee coins. Thus, I can write it like this. If I put the coins together, there are 11 coins. Thus, one 10-rupee note and one 1-rupee coin. The shopkeeper said, "Very good. Now you can see there are 3 notes in all." The girl said, "I have to pay 31 rupees, but I have rupees 40. The shopkeeper said, "So, find out how much money you get back." "I cannot subtract from 0. So from 4 10 rupees notes, let us take 10 coins in place of one 10-rupee note. And so we will have 3 in place of 4. Now subtract 1 from 10, so we get 9. And subtract 3 from 3, we get 0. Thus I will get 9 rupees back. Practice time. Shekhar has 32 rupees. He bought a ball for 17 rupees. How much money is left with him? There is a shortcut. If we take away 2 coins from 32 and 2 coins from 17, I will be left with 30 minus 15. On subtracting 15 from 30, we get 15. Second method. 2 cannot be subtracted from 7. From 3 10-rupee notes, let us take 10 coins in place of one 10-rupee note. So 2 will be 12 and 2 notes left instead of 3 notes. Now subtracting 7 from 12, we get 5. And subtract 1 from 2, we get 1. Thus, Shekhar has 15 rupees left with him.